out here, you know? We out here buying jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. Which part?
Santa Cruz, right next to you. Fall Cup.
You know, not a Fall Cup, one. Jerk chicken.
Yeah.
I want to see.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Yeah, first stop. Sovereign Plaza. So the day after Christmas. I need no more evidence, you. I need no more evidence. Say who?
KFC is gonna go.
Yeah, man, KFC.
Right now, no matter what time I clear the KFC line, always. No matter what time I do KFC line, always sitting there. Yeah, boy, watch out. Right now, we're there in a Sovereign. We get back to when we get you. Yeah, leverage nation. Right now, give God the glory, give God the strength. Watch out. What is this? What is this? You know the badness go with this already. Yeah, man, I know I leverage. This is live. Jamaican KFC. No other place to go in there. Going forward back. This one back. I enjoy this. That is it. Yeah. Just don't shell that. That is that. Red block out of there, you know? You know I think though. Where you say Tati, how over there?
Uptown. Sovereign Center.
Uptown Sovereign Center. Yes, right. Right now, right now I'm gonna feel the bus. The height is a reach me right now.
Have you got this?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to sleep.
Uh-huh. Mother ass man, I was probably by the way. Fall and gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Leverage Nation right now. We stop a. Yeah, so we stop at Santa, you don't know, so we have to check out the. Buy a piece. Just one piece, no. Yeah, we get a piece of chicken there.
How much it?
How much it? 1,000 what? Give it 2 pieces.
One press, one leg at a time.
Huh? No man, one leg at a time, one breast. Alright. You have nothing?
Pepper ketchup? Pepper ketchup?
Pepper ketchup? Yeah. Yeah man, Leverage Nation. You don't know anything going on. Out here, you know? We out here buying jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. Which part?
Santa Cruz, right next to
Cruz.
Fall Cup.
You know, not a full cup, one.
Jerk
Chicken.
Yeah.
I want to see.
Yeah.
It's outside. Very nice. We can get chicken there.
Yeah. You know a Leverage man, you're out here man, you know, say a part of the vlog, that's a Leverage. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because so we do it out in the world, you know.
Leg and the table.
Alright, man. Respect.
Alright.
Hold on, funny. Yeah man, you know what thing go, you know what chap. Back on the road. See the chicken goose. See the chicken. Country, what the chicken look like. Bad. Yeah. Can't get no better right off of the pan, you see me?
Bossy, you want part up? 2 pack.
I find piece of board out on the seaside, you got it? That's what I always fishing. Go over there. Yeah man, that's an import Royal pint. I'm going there one night. They're a long way, like a set line. Then. Set line, so I'm waiting for a fish to drop it.
Alright, Leverage Nation. Right now, reach one part where a whole day went, a matter of fact, we went to country, St. Elizabeth, and then come back at Kingston. So this part of the vlog now, music with a play, so just don't want to show you where we go because music player don't want to play all of the audio. But yeah, you know, this is walking, you know, a couple friends, a couple people know link up and they say alright, them are going party in Kingston. Around Kingston 11 area, and it was like a old age party. But yeah, petrified speed up a little, but you get the drift. So yeah, we are walk, say people, Leverage Nation, the party, park me and tell them I watch it. You can see where I go on. Yeah, man. Leverage, so this are the part now. That's a whole of vibes I don't know. The great video face in my yellow J50. Yeah, man, just enjoy yourself, man. Jamaica, nice people, you don't know anything already, man. Big up, and big up yourself video face if you see this. But just part of the vibe. Big job and record people them. Oi, watch mama and papa, watch big people them. Yeah man, that is it man. big man, I'm big man. And dance to young lad. Yeah, daddy. Up, 1 minute, black man. Gila deh mau. Baru